y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Y'all, I'm a little behind on my favorites and empties type of videos, but we're here. We're here. Over here on my channel, you're gonna get beauty, lifestyle, fashion, motherhood, and all the girly things in between. And so if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. So let's get into this bag. I put everything in this Bath & Body Works bag. I'm not going in any particular order. A lot of this stuff is body care and a little bit of skincare. I don't think I have any makeup stuff, so it's mainly body care, skincare, empties. The first thing in here is this It's this carbonated bubble clay mask. Picked this up from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, I believe. My husband really liked this a lot. Reason that this is not empty is because it expired, so he didn't use it fast enough, or we didn't use it fast enough, but it is a Korean brand. So that lets you know that it's like fresh, natural ingredients in here. But this is what the clay mask looks like, and when you put it on, it foams. It literally foams up, just what it says. It's a bubble clay mask. It bubbles up like foam. And I thought that was very interesting to have as a clay mask, but nevertheless, it's a clay mask that's gonna cleanse your skin, not strip your skin. I would have to see if this is on Amazon or something. I'm sure it's probably on Amazon. The next thing I'm gonna talk about is the Sunday Riley's Summer Silk Nourishing Body Butter or Body Lotion. Love this stuff. This is gone. The coconut smell. This coconut vanilla smell is so fresh. And it just hydrates the skin really, really well while smelling so good. And it definitely nourishes the skin, like I said. I would definitely repurchase this for sure. This right here is an oldie but a goodie. It's the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Y'all, I have gone through so many of these. Love this. Love, love, love. I kept this one in the shower so that I'll automatically have a cleanser in the shower. So that's a plus. This is the OSHA body polish. Y'all, I went through this so fast. It's definitely a really good exfoliant for the body. It feels like a spa. It smells like a spa. This stuff was so good. I'm trying to find it again, but I have yet to find it again. So if you know of this product, let me know down below. Tell me where to get it. It's the moisturizing marine exfoliant. Like, this thing was so good, especially coming from the gym. Exfoliating my body is always something that I do from the gym. This one made me feel like I left the gym, went to a spa, to a sauna, got the exfoliant done, and I'm good to go. For like, come on. This is the Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Eye Patches. That's what these look like. Now, I actually stopped using these. I don't think I would repurchase these again. I feel like they didn't really do much. They do have a lot of hydration on them. It does come with this cute little stick so that you can pick up, the product. The patches are, you know, very slippery and stuff like that, but I just felt like it wasn't doing much on my skin. So unfortunately, I would not buy these again, but it is a great product. They're definitely hydrating and moisturizing. I just didn't feel like the caffeine that's in here was really causing like awakening, if that makes sense. So, but yeah, these are the Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing eye patches. The next thing I'm pulling out the bag is this Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. This is one of my favorites. It's a mild exfoliant, especially if you add, the more water you add, the more mild it'll be. The less water you add, of course, it'll be a little bit more abrasive, but not too harsh on the skin. Also leaving your skin very hydrating, because the strawberry that's in here, it's softening the skin. So, and it smells divine. Strawberries. If you love strawberries, you are gonna love this. You can also mix this with the Fresh Soy Cleanser. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. The next thing I have in here is a oldie but a goodie. I had this in my collection for a while. This is the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Moisturizing Cream for sensitive skin. I don't think that this is sold anymore, but originally it was at Ulta and I think at Walmart. But I haven't seen this particular sensitive skin line in a while. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost with Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cleanser. This one was one of my faves. It definitely extra cleansed the skin, but also leaving it hydrating. If you don't pick up the trend here. I love a good hydrating product, whether that's for my skin or my body. I want it to give me hydration. And so this just went so well with the under eye cream that I have. I'm about to be finished with that soon. The makeup wipes that we all tend to use, this is so good. It definitely removes that stubborn mascara and liner without making your eyes blurry or causing any like burning in the eyes. I love this, love this. So I'll be sure to try to link all these things down below. I had a sample of this and just wanted to finish it out because I kind of want to get the full size. This is the Tarte, the Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser. I've tried this multiple times and still haven't pulled the trigger on the full size bottle. But this stuff is so good, okay? It smells divine, like just very clean, fresh, leaves the skin hydrating again. But also softens the skin and cleanses your skin without stripping the natural oils. So that's what I really, really like about this Tarte rice wash. I definitely need to just go ahead and get the full size bottle. It's just Luxe in a jar, Luxe in a bottle. Fabulous. The next thing I have is the Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. This is one of those products that's also very gentle. So if you're new to skincare, new to makeup, I would suggest trying out the Good Molecules brand just so you can see how your skin will react. The next thing I'm going to talk about is this, is it Thayer's facial toner with witch hazel. This is the unscented one. And I initially got this because I saw on Instagram, but I'm sure it was probably something from TikTok. But there was a young lady saying that you could use this particular face toner with witch hazel in it for lightening up any dark underarm pits. So I don't have major darkness under my arms, but you know, you can lighten it up a little bit. But I wasn't consistent with it. But it is a great toner for the skin. The skin just felt very refreshed, very even when using this, and it was unscented, so I didn't have any concerns or whether or not the scent would cause any reaction or anything like that. So try that. I've gone through multiple of these, but so these are probably, you'll see this go in and out of my empties for body care for sure. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I have so many of these. Like, this is empty. So good. So good. Smells good. You don't have to do too much with the Sol de Janeiro products. A little bit goes a long way, and you're going to smell like that for a while. People are going to be turning heads like, wow, this is that girl though. Original. Yeah, definitely will repurchase that again. And I recently tried the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream. Chef's kiss. I definitely need to see if there's a full size of this. But I had this with the travel one, and then I was like, you know what? I got to talk about this and tell my girls. Let me know if you tried this. Let me know if you tried this, okay? That is good. Very hydrating on the skin. And you're going to smell even good, like even better when you add the Bum Bum Cream on top. The last product I want to talk about is one of my favorite body washes. This is the Method Body Coconut Rice Milk Shea Butter. I love this. Love that it comes with a pump now, this size. And I go through these like crazy. Love that it's just very mild. It smells very refreshing. And yep, the coconut and the vanilla, it's just very fresh. I like to think of my body care as a spa. Like, I want the products to smell like I'm in at an at-home spa, and I want them to give me hydration. I want them to make my skin look and feel moisturized, and then just also smell good. So let me know down below if you've used any of these products that I mentioned. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.